Okay, you have with me a Laserjet Pro MFP M428fdw printer. Okay, so this is a printer, very good printer. I want to know it can print without a router, it can use Wi-Fi, it can print wireless, it can also print, it has strong security, it can also scan to Microsoft, it has a single pass-through sided scanning, and also intuitive 6.9 cm color touch screen. We're going to learn how to unbox this printer. Okay, this printer, you just open it. You have it, comes with 2 cables, 2-pin and 3-pin cable. This power cable, it also has a USB cable for connection, and it has another device. Okay, though we will not really need this. So that's it. You have the manuals. So the manual written okay. Have the manual. Okay, to unbox,